These air fryer breakfast potatoes are always a hit at the breakfast table. They're quick to make and get crispy without needing much oil. Use Russet or Yukon Gold potatoes, and we personally skip peeling them because the skin has flavor. Cut the potatoes into evenly sized cubes. Then add the potatoes to a large bowl and toss them with olive oil. Add Dijon mustard, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Toss to combine. The mustard might seem like an odd pairing, but give it a try because you may never want to make potatoes without it again. Transfer the potatoes to an air fryer and spread them into a single layer. Air fry, stirring halfway through until crisp and golden brown. Serve these breakfast potatoes with your favorite sauce or ketchup for dipping.